everyone, it's Miss Martika here with the Fairfield Public Library. Today we are making a take and make craft, and we are making a caterpillar on a leaf. Continue to watch this video so you can make this cool craft with me. So in this take and make bag, you should have green construction paper, a leaf cutout, a handful of pom-poms, 2 eyes, and then from home you need a writing utensils, scissors, and glue. So the first thing, we're gonna cut out our leaf. Perfect. Then we'll take our leaf and place it onto our green construction paper and trace out our leaf. And cut this out. What we want to do next is take our leaf and we're going to put one slit halfway, 2 and 3. Then we're going to do it to the other side. 1, 2, 3. So just 3 little slits. We'll take it and we'll kind of bend a little bit. Bend it forward and back. Just a little bit. Perfect. So we'll turn it upside down so that we can't see our writing. And we're going to take our glue, and here we'll put a lot of glue right in the middle. And we'll stick on our smallest first. We'll stick those close together. You might not use all of the colors, it's up to you. You want to hold those together. Perfect. Then we'll take our eyes and place them onto our caterpillar head. That one needs a little bit more glue. want to hold it in place because that one's having a bit of a trouble. And here we have it. Thank you for continuing to watch this video and make this cool caterpillar with me. So, as always, check out what's happening here at the Fairfield Public Library by looking at the calendar. Until next time, see you later.